smiling. He's smiling. He's confused. Very confused. Very confused. Floppy ears is the leader. Floppy ears, leader. Floppy ears is my leader. He loves it. He knows it. He wants to be it. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And go to my video that I made of my dog, Tiger. It says Tiger Show featuring Tiger. Please, I said please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Bye. I just wanted to make this video with my dog Tiger. Even though he's asleep, but when he's awake, he's crazy, very crazy. Tiger cries like a little girl. Oh, 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 oh. So, and I'm sorry if you've seen it and you've gone on my YouTube channel and then it says joined November 24th. It says that twice, so I'm sorry. Because I was trying to fix it for something else, and then it made a mistake right there. So I'm sorry. For a possible shout in next week's video, comment down below if you have a dog, or if you don't have a dog, comment down below what pet you have. And if my dad's watching this, you can comment down below you have a tiger. Throughout my life, I have had 1, 2, 3, 4. I have had Whitey, Tiger, my old dog Dino. Poor little Dino. He got sliced in half. Slice and dice. And my other 2 dogs, Snow, which is a white dog, and Peanut, which is a brown dog. Like Tiger, except he has no white on him. See, he has white in his brown. Peter was light brown, and he didn't have white on his body. Bye.